Hey everyone, today we're going to be drawing Belle from Beauty and the Beast, so let's get started. First, I'm going to start off by her face and I'm going to draw a curve. Then I'm going to keep on going down and draw her nose like this. Then her nostril and a line like this. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to draw her lips. We're going to go down like that, and then another curve like this, and now we're going to go down, draw this little slanted line and go back down like this and go up. Okay, now we're going to draw her eyes. So for her eyes, I'm going to draw this line like that and another line like this. Now a circle, and I'm going to draw a small circle inside and a bigger one like this, and her eyelashes like that. And now I'm going to draw her eyebrow like that. And we're going to move on to her hair. So I'm going to start from right here and draw these curves like that. And we're going to draw her ear over here like that. I'm going to come from here and go up like this and draw this curve. Now from this line, I'm going to come from here and draw another one like this. And from here, like that. From here and going down. Now there's going to be hair flowing like this onto her back. Then I'm going to come from here and draw a curve like this. I'm going to go back up and draw her bun. And from her bun, this hair is going to come down from both these sides like that. And here is her neck. And we're just going to end this right there. Now I'm going to go and draw some more details on right here. So there's going to be a little curve going on like that. All this hair is going to be flowing in different directions like that. Now we're going to draw the hair over here like that, and then a little curve, and then this curve is going to go out and come back in. And draw more strands of hair like that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to her neck so we can draw the rest of the hair. I'm going to come back from here. That is her neck. Now her shoulder from here And now this hair is going to be coming from here, like this and like that. It is going to go a curve like that and a curve from here, like that. Okay, now I'm going to draw her dress. So I'm going to come here and draw a circle, then another circle right here, another one right here. And now this one circle will go up like this. I'm going to draw this like that, and it is going to come back into this circle. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So we are going to extend her shoulder a little bit like this, and I'm going to draw this coming from here. And going back there on this. Now we're going to draw more of her dress like that. Like that. Now I'm going to draw her hand, and she's holding the rose. So it's going to go up from here and from here and go up like that. And that is her glove, so we're going to draw a line over here. So now for the rose, we're going to draw a petal from here. We draw a circle, then these lines like this, and draw more of these lines. And I'm going to draw the stem. And her hand is going up to that stem, holding it like that. And I'm going to draw her hand from here. Okay, I'm going to make this hand a little over right there. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.